stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, I might do that. Make sure this one's recording. Oh. Not any pictures. I need you to record. So we'll get 360 footage as long as that battery lasts. Have 4K footage as long as this one lasts. Yeah, because I was telling Lowell, if we see something in the distance, then I can zoom in on the screen in post, and it'll hopefully have detail. Yeah, the was it Kankamangus? Kankamangus. So it's not this one up here. Oh, there's that road. That's that group we saw earlier. Yeah, I'm glad they pulled off. Oh, there's a moose right there on the right. See it? Yeah, shake your fist at him. Ah, I love that color scheme. That green and kind of brown for their troopers. Yeah, it's so sneaky because it kind of blends in, you know? Nope, they're on their phone. Oh, maybe they got a ticket. And they're on their phone like, hey, he was so mean to me. He told me to quit revving my electric motor. Alright. Hey, just chilling. Taking pictures of the water down there. I thought I saw that, but whatever. Yeah, because they really need to be with their buddies. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm like, really? You know what? You're in a national forest. Chill the blank out. There will be trees when you get there, pal. Just chill it out. Chill it out. Your friends, they won't miss you. Don't worry. Just look for their helmets 5 feet behind their bikes, and you'll know you were lucky you weren't with them. Oh, yeah. They've been behind us since we came out of that little village. Like, okay, well, hope they're chill, you know. Yeah. Oh, dang, I lapped myself. What's up? Nice 1500 GL Goldwing. Oh. I like a white bike. Well, that was nice. That car pulled over. In a pullover area, too. No, for us. They're pulling back out. Ooh, 20 miles an hour. Nice. Oh, I should have my map on. Show map. Haha, voice command. Got a little lean, but no peg drag. Yeah, I know. Why? Are there nudists? Oh, an overlook. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to be tearing ass and come around a curve and somebody's turning into these things. Oh. Wow. So it was 800 at the visitor center. Oh, dang it. Dang thing. Okay, so it was 800 at the visitor center. We're at 2,341, 8 years on this bike, and almost 103,000 miles. I just now found I can display the elevation. Yeah, no kidding. It's the bike that keeps on giving. Oh, damn, another one of me. That's two of us. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Nah, that's cool. Oh, it's no big deal. There's a sign right here. Oh, it's not that high. It's only 28 something. It's not that high. Yeah, he's cool. He's cool. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.